Emile Durkheim, a foundational figure in sociology, introduced the concept of social facts to explain how society shapes individuals. These aren't just any facts, but specific phenomena that exist outside of the individual, yet exert a powerful influence on their thoughts and actions. Understanding social facts is crucial for grasping Durkheim's sociological perspective. Social facts are external collective forces that constrain individual behavior. They're not simply individual opinions or feelings, but rather established ways of thinking, acting, and feeling that exist within a society. Durkheim emphasized their exteriority and coercive power. Exteriority means they exist independently of any one individual, while coercive power implies they can compel individuals to act in certain ways, even against their personal preferences. Norms and values are an example of fundamental social facts. Think of the expectation to dress appropriately for a job interview or the value placed on education. These aren't innate. We learn them from society. They guide our behavior and carry consequences if violated. For example, not getting the job, social disapproval. Similarly, institutions are formalized sets of rules and practices that govern specific areas of social life, such as the legal system, education, or religion. They structure our interactions and opportunities. Laws, for example, are social facts that dictate acceptable behavior and carry sanctions for disobedience. Collective representations are shared beliefs, ideas, and symbols that a society holds in common. National flags, religious symbols, and even language itself are examples. They foster a sense of collective identity and belonging. Social facts are distinguished from individual facts. The crucial distinction lies in their origin and scope. An individual's opinion on politics is not a social fact, it's personal. However, the existence of a political system and the common ways people engage with it, voting, protesting, etc., are social facts. They exist regardless of any single person's opinion. Durkheim's research on suicide is a classic example of demonstrating the power of social facts. He found that suicide rates varied across different societies and social groups, even when controlling for individual psychological factors. He argued that social factors like social integration, how connected people feel to their community, and social regulation, the degree to which norms and rules govern behavior, influenced suicide rates. This highlighted that even seemingly individual acts like suicide can be explained by social forces. Durkheim distinguished between material and non-material social facts. Material social facts are tangible, physical objects or structures that have social significance. A university building, a religious icon, or even the style of architecture in a city can be considered material social facts. They embody and reflect social norms and values. Non-material social facts are intangible ideas, beliefs, norms, and values. They include things like language, laws, morality, and religious beliefs. While not physical, they are just as real and influential as material social facts. Social facts act as constraints on individual behavior. They limit our choices and shape our actions. While they might seem restrictive, they also provide structure and stability to social life. Without shared norms and expectations, social interaction would be chaotic and unpredictable. It's important to recognize that social facts are culturally and historically specific. What is considered a social fact in one society might not be in another. For example, certain religious practices might be central to one culture, but completely foreign to another. While social facts are relatively stable, they are not static. They can and do change over time. Social movements, technological advancements, and other social forces can lead to transformations in norms, values, and institutions. In conclusion, Durkheim's concept of social facts is a cornerstone of sociological thinking. It emphasizes the importance of understanding the social context in which individuals live. By studying social facts, we can gain insights into the forces that shape our lives and the workings of society as a whole. It moves beyond individual explanations to understand broader social patterns.